audio video sync number 3 for the Fusion. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we now have a 360 camera mount for the motorcycle. Oh yeah, see, we can go like that. Get it straight up and down. And all that type of stuff. In fact, I would even go more like that. Farther away the better. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm doing this so I can get an idea of what it's going to be like. So let's do this real quick. I don't often ride without all the gear. Rarely do I ride without all the gear. I'll at least put these on. But I'm going to ride up around the corner there just to do it while I have a little bit of battery power. Oops, so I can make a decent little motovlog. And try to do this without unplugging my sound in there. Hopefully it's still recording. Should be. Okay. Close that. That, put it in the other one, and okay. First off, turn that off. That's weird. It seems like it gave itself a little bit of juice as I let the clutch out, which is like one of the features of the V-Strom there was the what was it, drive assist or whatever they call it, so that when you're sitting at a stop and you release the clutch, it automatically adds a little bit of gas to the throttle. It almost seemed like it was, nope, just down there. It's because it was running extra rich. Okay. Let's go up the top of the hill here. That down, and hopefully we're getting some voice recording. Oh yeah, oops, there we go. Turn the turn signal off. Picture there, but nah. Let's grab a screenshot from the. Alright, well, this works much better. One thing about that though is maybe just do a little bit up, we'll see how that does. That way it kind of maybe gets out a little bit past the screen there. That worked out good. Alright, I'm happy. Except for I gotta get my neutral is very difficult. There we go. Kawasaki definitely has a better positive neutral finder than Honda. Honda's a little sketchy going between into neutral anyways. Let's see. Alright. Well, that worked out good. Happy with it. Hopefully the video turned out. I'm going to put it back as far away as I can just for the heck of it. Just for the heck of it. Just to see how that does. How it do. How it do, how it do. Theoretically, I could even go as far as like that. I was kind of in the center. I'll give you a taste of the throttle. Oh yeah. Sounds good. Oh, I'm a 10-year-old. Alright. Anytime a awesome sounding engine exhaust hits and you giggle, you're definitely 10 years old. That's okay. I'd rather be a giggling 10-year-old than a mopey 54-year-old. Done with that shit. So, alright. Y'all take care. Peace.